Growing food is a massive way of supporting the environment. All our waste product we compost. As anything that can be composted, we compost. Cardboard boxes, newspapers, we rip up all of that stuff and put it back into the whole system. We have chickens, they help us with the composting system, and we also get eggs from them. So we're primarily a plant-based retreat, but we use the eggs when people are okay with that, just because we know where they come from, we know what they eat, and yeah, they're fresh straight out of the coop every day. We don't use any pesticides or anything like that in the garden. So cabbage moth, for instance, if there's that around, we'll just put net over it. Like generally you can find a way of dealing with different pests without using pesticides. And a lot of it is to do with the quality of the soil as well. If you've got poor quality soil, your plants aren't going to be as resistant to different pests. So if you put lots of love and care into the soil, you'll generally grow beautiful produce. It's all about the soil, you know, just like us, it's all about our gut, and from our gut we get a whole range of different things like our immune system and our brain clarity and all of that. Like our gut is like our inner soil, and the soil it represents the same thing.